Okay. Come on. Come on, friendo, what are you stuck on? What is going on? You can never have too many tire levers. Okay, so what happened yesterday was that somewhere I nicked this rim. You know what? I was rubbing it yesterday, so it's probably one of the cleaner spots. It was bubbling. Oh, right there. We've got a little bump in the rim that was causing a leak yesterday. This is a year-old sealant. I've got cush core in here as well, so it's kind of hard to tell how flat something is sometimes, but it didn't go fully flat. But it is pretty flat. So we're gonna take this wheel off, try to bend it back. I've never done that before. I have no clue how that goes. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not. I got new wheels on order. They'll be here. They're shipping tomorrow from Tennessee. Some guy on Facebook. So, worst case, I'll have those, but I do want to ride tomorrow. I remember this cush core being an absolute pain in my butt. How do we get this apart? Try to crack the bead here. Oh, this is where it gets nice and sweaty. Oh, I hate doing this. I think what I did last time. Yep, I wish this wasn't full of trash, but I think this is how. Oh, that side's pulling off. Are you kidding me? The GoPro has not been recording for how long? At least you've been watching. Well, back on the GoPro. We just tried. Why is it so hard to make a camera record video? I don't understand. I'm with Sam on this one. I might be switching over to the old DJI or the new DJI because this GoPro either overheats. Oh yes, that's what we wanted to hear. Either it overheats or doesn't start when I want it to start, or it turns itself off, or it's a pain. Okay. I just need to go to the gym more, I guess. Oh yeah, dude. Get on there. So sick. What a feeling. Love it. Halfway to getting the tire off. This is where the problem set in. How did we do this last time? Get that to break. We can do it. Oh, yep. Beautiful. So, oh, now it's covered in stands. Goop, stoop. Okay. Woo-hoo. Step number 17. a beautiful space to work. But you here. Sorry there, little guy. Wow. This wheel is running on a SLX cassette with a door rear hub, free hub. And if you need to know how to rebuild one of those, there's a video on my channel. There you are. But right here is a little bump. And I might be able to, it's really not that bad. I was hoping one of these would have a, let's go with the old tried and true croissant wrench. There's a croissant. In case it's not obvious, I don't know what I'm doing. So if you notice anything that I'm doing is terribly wrong, let me know. Maybe I'll learn something. Hey, I think that'll work. By golly. Nice and clean. I think we're gonna have this wheel rebuilt over the winter anyway, so I'm not getting too worried about it. Oh, there's a lot of nicks in this thing. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. There's a whole new one. I think I was fixing the wrong one. If you see me selling wheels on Facebook, don't buy them from me. If you don't look at it long, look straight enough. Oh, good call. I got the trash out tonight. Thank you, neighbor. I forgot the trash last week. Caitlin had to run down and get it in the morning. I should not have forgotten the trash last week. Lesson learned, maybe. I think it's good enough, don't you? I think it'll work, hopefully. You throw enough stands in there, it'll seal up any hole. Let's go get that. All right, these are, let's say, clean enough. The hardest thing in the world is getting water out of the inside of a tire. Okay. So sticky. Wait, please tell me I have new stands. Did I not buy any new stands? I know I bought stands. I know I bought stands, guys. Oh no. Caitlin has informed me that it's somewhere in this pile of junk. Not seeing it here, Lloyd. Is that the red and dry lube? I've been looking for that.
It's been in the junk room.
Hell yeah. What a score. Thank you. See, I wasn't going crazy. I knew I ordered it. All right. Okay. What's on the agenda? We need to, I guess, first put the tire on the wheel. And I think I've got a no tube. You know what? This is a removable core. I can use my little bottle. We're good. Okay. Get this and this and put them together. The secret to this is knowing what you're doing. And that's why I have trouble. Maybe it's not going to be so bad. they say, as it's gonna definitely be so bad. How do I get it off? Okay, and then put it inside the tire. Come on. Never been so sticky in all my life. Okay, yeah, that's the secret now. That's the stuff. Okay. Okay. I mean, there's no way I'm stretching that over there. Okay. I think, if I remember right, I had somehow like press the whole bead into the center of the tire. Praise. Hallelujah, I did do something. Okay, so that's what that was. You can send that bead inside. Beauty. Whew. We did it. You're successful. Now, let's see if my little $20 hand pump will work. Typically, you'd want a high volume pump or an air compressor. Ideally, I just don't feel like starting the air compressor up right now. Listen tightly here. You'll hear the bead pop in eventually if I can get enough volume in. Okay, let's I don't hear anything leaking, and we don't have any stands in there yet, so that's a good sign. Air out of these, and we're gonna put some stands in here. So here's what I use. Stands. I keep one of these old bottles on hand. I fill that up. That's 2 ounces. About what you need. And then we've got our little park tool, the old VC one, of course. Just a stem remover. Get that bad mammer jammer out of there. So and you just gotta feed it like it's a baby sheep or goat. Come on, you can do it. And tighten. Get ready for some loud noises. Beautiful. All right, then what I like to do, take this off. Oh, calm down there, mister. I think we've successfully just bent our wheel back into submission. That's where the bendy was. Hard to see now. It doesn't feel too bad. You can kind of see a little deformation, but not too bad. There's another one right here. That one you can still feel better, but again, no leakages coming from that area. So we're gonna leave it at 30 pounds overnight and see if she leaks out at all. But I think we have successfully fixed our wheel, so we can ride on tomorrow, Wednesday, and hopefully be ready for the race on Sunday. And by ready for the race, I mean I started training yesterday, so we're not going to be ready for the race, but our bike will ride, so that's a plus. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Tune back in for next week. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but maybe it'll be a race. Maybe it'll be me taking the podium of the race. I highly doubt it, but maybe. You never know. Sometimes you know. See ya.